Okay guys, we're here dito sa Boyanita. Kasama natin mga FKM owners. Yan. Mga owners ng FKM bikes. Iba-ibang mga modelo. Nakakatuwa. So, tingnan natin sa parking lot yung mga motor na andito. Ito, meron tayo nitong Victorino 250 sa mga naghahanda sa DGR. Coming May 18. This is a DGR or Distinguished Gentleman Riders Friendly and Compliant Motorcycle. It's a classic scrambler V-twin 250cc that you can take on and off the road. And then next we have the Slick 400. This is an expressway legal maxi scoot 400cc na automatic. Okay, full size maxi scooter for those looking for that expressway legal bike. Ang presyo pala guys, ang Victorino is 158,000 and then the Slick 400 is 288,000 pesos. And then we have the Falcon 400. This is a expressway legal big bike, 400cc, 2-cylinder. Meron na siyang front camera, 6-speed with clutch assist. Okay, naglagay siya ng crash guards, naglagay siya ng wind deflector, nagpalit ng side mirrors, may top box. Pero everything else remains pretty much all stock. Ito ang presyo nito ay 208,000 pesos, yung Falcon X400. By the way, ang owners ng mga ito guys, like itong si Sir, dating naka Honda Click. Imagine nyo, ilang years siya naka Honda Click, nag-upgrade, expressway legal na. Ito naman si Sir, small bike lang, nag-upgrade. Yan na, big bike. Nag-add lang ng 100,000 kasi napakamura po ng mga bikes natin. Itong dalawa, ito ang Venture 180. Itong si Sir ang owner, kakatapos lang niya ng Cordillera Level 2. Umuwi siya last Sunday. Ito, nakasama na natin ngayon. So, si Sir Rian, thank you very much. Meron siyang lalagyan ng Insta360. Okay, may aux lights. Kailangan ng aux lights guys, lalo na pagka nag-off-road tayo. At dun sa bundok. So the Venture 180 is the biggest displacement small adventure scooter in the Philippines right now. 180cc. Okay, tubeless spoke rim tires. Ito, naglagay na sila ng mga crash guards. Okay, so power nito nasa ano na, close to 20 horsepower. And based case Sir na nag-Cordillera, kayang-kaya po talaga yung mga off-road. Walang kaproblema. This is another Slick